Hey guys, what's up? And today I'm going to be showing y'all how to create and port forward your Minecraft server. Now, everything that you're going to need for all your Minecraft abilities will be in the link for the Spigot. I got the 1.12.2, and what you need to do is create a new folder. Doesn't need to be named. Move your Spigot in there. I can grab it. And then you want to go down to the link right now, like this second, and grab this coding right here. The Java Spigot 1.12.2.jar. And you want to head into here. Then you're going to create a new. Now, I'm going to let y'all catch up a little, so I'm going to wait a minute. Okay, you there? Good. Let's continue. We're gonna press Shift and V. Sorry. Let me correct myself. The button under Shift. Don't know what that says still. Gotta figure that out. You're gonna go to File, Save As, and then you're gonna name it whatever you wish. So I'm just gonna name it YouTube. Good enough. But this is important. .bat, all lowercase right there. It must have the .bat or else it will not work. And then as the save type, do it to all files. Then you can save it, remove this text document, and delete it. Now what you want to do is start up your server, and as you wait for it to start up, you're going to go and open your Google Chrome to start port forwarding it. So after you get your Google Chrome or whatever you want to use it, Firefox, what is it, Explorer, whatever you use, you're going to go down here and type cmd. I already got mine right here. You're going to open your command prompt, type ipconfig. Yeah, I can spell that right. Config ipconfig. Okay, there we go. Now what you want to do is type in your default gateway, which is right here. This right here. Ignore that. Ooh, let's get that back. Okay, this one. Now, 192 point. There it is. Okay. Now, your router is going to be different. So when you look for your router, what is going to be the default password? Because usually people don't change the passwords for the routers, okay? Which mine already logged me in, so I already got that. All you got to do is just look up what your router is. Like, just Google it. Let me show you a demonstration. Now, my internet is down at the moment at my house, but this video will Google Chrome load because I think it just crashed. That's the thing about my computer. Okay. Well, thanks, pal. Okay. Well, let me okay. Are you gonna respond now? Okay. Now what you're gonna do is type in your router name. Your router name. Default. username and password. Now, what you would do is actually spell username right. Right here would be the name of the router, as you could see, and then you should type default username and password. Now, since I don't have internet right now because I got the no internet access because they disabled the DSN. Back to the video. Now what you want to go to is look for the advanced settings. Your port forwarding is always going to be in the advanced settings, so you're going to click on it. Then you're going to want to look for the security, or wherever it is. It should probably be in advanced settings somewhere. Mine is right here for port forwarding. Now, I already created one. I'm going to remove it just for the sake of this video. Now, as you can see, my router is down at the moment because of DSL. Now, what you want to do is enter manually enter IP address. So that is where your IPv4 address comes in. 192.168.0.4. Guys, nothing in this can get hacked for your PC to get hacked and stuff like that. Like, I hope you know what I mean, because I know I'm not making sense very much. But none of this can get your computer hacked, guys. So what you would do is type in this right here, your IPv4 address. You type that in right here. Let's see, I got it right here. Now, that's my IPv4. Now what you want to do is type in the port of your server, 25565, 25565, TCP. Now, if you want, you could do both. I'm not sure what the UDP does, but we're going to stick with TCP because it does exactly what we need it to. And then you're going to click apply. After it saves it, then it'll be right here. This is going to be your IP that you type in to connect to your server. You cannot use the IP that IP chicken will give you. That's where you gotta go up here and type in IP chicken. If you could type what is my IP and it gives you it, but without any letters or numbers mixed in, then best bet is I wouldn't worry with this because people can pull your IP very easily. But like me, I got letters and numbers, which means it will work perfectly. And also this is local, so this isn't really valid, but that's the default IP that it gives me. So what you would do is type in IP chicken. Now, since I don't got internet connection again, it ain't gonna work for me, but it will send you to the IP chicken and give you the IP right here. So also that link will be in the description, by the way. now that you have successfully port forwarded your server, what you want to do is close that. That is your server right here, which means you got to allow, or not allow, you got to agree with the EULA in order to run the server. So you just press pause, go to the EULA, and put that to false. No, sorry, true. Now, you would start your server up again. But I'm running in offline mode because I have no internet. So I've got to turn my server in offline mode. So I'm going to type in online mode. Now, this I recommend you always keep on, but if you're going to be running a Bungie server like I do, then you want to have this false, because attempting to connect to an online server with an online server, it doesn't end well. It ends up crashing and not letting you connect and stuff like that. Now what you want to do is just start it back up and let it do its thing, going through all the programs. And after that's done, then we will open up our server, and if we need to start it with more RAM, we will start it with more RAM. I'll show you how to do that, like right now. Okay, this is the default RAM that it starts up on. 1024 megabytes. Also right here too. Let's see. Okay, since I already have a server running on that port, which is my Bungie, which I also forgot I was running. Sorry about that. It would start up without no problem. Again, I forgot about the port, so let me change that. I'm just gonna type it random. Make sure it's 5. Yep, okay. I have no idea what I just set it to, but it should work now. Sorry about that. But yeah, you would change these right here to either like whatever you wish. If you want it gigabytes, you can put it to 1 gig or 1 G, 1 capital G. And this letter must be capitalized or else it will not work properly and it will not start up the server. That is some good tea. Huh, I just put a Black Plasma Studios. Okay, I'm gonna edit that out. Oh, please don't copyright strike me for that. I don't think you really can, but I know a lot of people that will try. Okay, let your server start up, and yes, it will start. When you run the server a little more, it will reduce the spawn area, which means it won't take so long to start up. Also, if you have any errors starting up, it will say it. Just ignore the outdated build right here for error on the first time. Error, this build is outdated. Don't worry about that. Talking about online mode where it's off. Server is running in offline mode, insecure mode, which yes, that's true. It's insecure, which means anyone can with a fake account, or let's see, ALT account for example. If you have an ALT account, you know how frustrating it is when you get that message where it says error, let me think of the message. I'm sorry. Error something, and then please restart your Minecraft and stuff like that, and blah blah blah. You have to restart your Minecraft from right here, wherever you have it, and it's just frustrating. Now, with the online mode off, you don't need an ALT account. You can download a cracked launcher and join. Which means if you ban someone, you could just simply change, they could just simply change their username to whatever they choose, and they could get back in. So, and I have seen it done on my server a couple of times when I was first starting a server without port forwarding correctly. Guys, you want to port forward your server correctly. Do not use anything else unless you use a website to do it for you, or the way I think y'all should run it for free by port forwarding it off the router like I just showed you. Now we're going to join our server right here, and then we're gonna see and make sure everything's working. Now it looks like it's keeping up with the server, so that's a good thing. That means we don't have to start it up with more RAM. Now we're gonna let our Minecraft load up and we just want to make sure our server is running properly. Oh, I should type no. Did I hit escape? No. I don't know what I typed. Yeah, I typed escape twice, so that's what happens. All it does is give you all the commands in the server, which also it helps you out because usually you can't see all the help options or commands or stuff like that because it's a pain in the butt. Like World Edit, it will show a line of codes all trying together on the page, guys, and it will completely take up half of it. Let's see, right here all the way to right here, and you got a whole bunch more commands that you are needing but you can't get to. I mean, it is a pain, it really is. Now we're gonna start up our Minecraft, and then we're gonna type in localhost or the IP you got from IP Chicken, which it would look like, oh well, it would look like this. It would actually look like a number. Now this was from IP Chicken. This is not my IP address, so don't worry. I done tried to look at it and it did not work. But you would have to use your default gateway, which this is my default gateway, so yeah. Now what you want to do is type in localhost. Now y'all could go ahead and press enter, but I don't have mine on port 25565 because I already have a server running on that, and also it would take me straight to my Bungie. Also, let me turn this off because I don't need that running. Let me go to the server file now and look at what port I have it running on, because I'm going to need the port. Okay, let's see. I have it running on server port 27839, so we're just going to copy that. We could just close that. We're going to open that command prompt back up. And having the command prompt out allows you to see what's all going on in the server. And it helps a lot catching griefers, preventing griefers, stuff like that, guys. Now, we're going to scroll down to our server. Once it can ping. There it goes. And the default is always going to be 20 players for the max. You can set it to whatever y'all want. 9 million for free. You don't have to pay for it. It's like 20 people. Jeez. See, now we are in our server. Letting it load up. I'm going to type a command. Just random. I'm going to do one that's 1, 2, 3. And there you go. It comes in right here on the command prompt. Now, if you type in a command and it does not come through the command prompt, you lost control of your server from the command prompt, which means you better hope to God you are opt. So let's opt ourselves. Opt, press tab, there's me, I opt myself, and there's the info that it says. We could change that to make sure it don't say that in game roles. Game role. Now we're going to go through the commands and look. Let's see, because I don't remember this. Don't remember the log admin commands. Nope, that is not it. Let's see. Send command feedback. There it is. Now we're going to set that to false, and we're going to make sure that was correct, because I want to look at this first one. Let's see. Command blackout. Okay, now we're going to try this just to make sure. I'm going to de-opt myself. There you go. We just got rid of the message, and now it won't show it. There you go. Now we opt ourselves, and it has been quiet. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You have Portforward, your server where people can join. All you gotta do is just go to a website and put it up for people to look at. If y'all want me to, message down in the comment section below if y'all want me to show you how to create a Bungie server. A Bungie server allows you to connect multiple servers like this, but into one server. So you could use one server to connect thousands of servers. I'll show you how to do that. So thanks for tuning into this video, guys. We'll be talking again very soon. So, oh boy, not this again. Okay, talk to you guys later.